How to remove TikTok account lock. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to remove your TikTok account lock. It's so easy and I'm gonna tell you what does lock mean. First thing, go to your TikTok. Now look at the top of my profile. There's a person with the lock icon. That's mean your account is private. To remove that, all you need to do is click on those three buttons up there and click on setting and privacy. Now click on the second choice, which is privacy. Turn off the first option, which is private account. Now when you turn off this option, you can get more followers and viewers. This is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.